Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade jelly chocolate. First, gather all your ingredients, including gelatin, fruit juice, and your favorite chocolate. Ensure your molds are clean and ready for use. We'll cover the process from preparing the jelly to coating it in chocolate, ensuring a delightful treat. This guide will help you create perfect, bite-sized confections with ease. To begin, select a fruit juice that complements your chocolate choice. Carefully measure your gelatin and liquid, typically using 1 part gelatin to 4 parts liquid for a firm set. Whisk the gelatin into a small amount of cold juice, then dissolve it in warm juice. Pour the mixture into your prepared molds and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until completely firm. For the best homemade jelly chocolates, choose a high-quality chocolate with at least 60% cocoa solids. Melt about 8 ounces of chocolate gently over a double boiler, stirring until smooth. To achieve a beautiful, glossy finish and prevent blooming, temper your chocolate. This involves carefully heating and cooling it to specific temperatures, ensuring a crisp snap and professional appearance. Once your jelly is firm, carefully remove the pieces from their molds. Dip each jelly piece into the tempered chocolate, ensuring it's fully coated. Use a fork or dipping tool to remove excess chocolate. Place the coated jellies on parchment paper and let them set at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Store your finished jelly chocolates in an airtight container for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.